Hello and welcome back once again to my channel Biology with Dr. Pankaj Shah. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe to this channel to get most updated videos on all aspects of biology. Now our topic for today is fruits. Now what we have done that in the previous video, you can go to my channel to find the videos on the fruits. In the previous video we have discussed that fruits are of three different types, and you can remember them by this word SAM: simple, aggregate and multiple. And I had also described in the previous videos the differences among all three types: one flower, one ovary; one flower, many ovaries but free apocarpus; and here one whole inflorescence, the whole bunch of the fruit itself fuses with all those fruits, all those flowers or ovaries, and it becomes a compound fruit. Now we are going to discuss about simple fruit here. Okay, so simple fruit is of two types. Let us see what are those two types. Simple fleshy and simple dry. These are two types. Fleshy, as the name itself tells you, that it has flesh, it has juice. So this is, you can say that it is juicy fruit, or it has flesh. Dry fruit, it does not have a it is dry, the mesocarp. We discussed already exocarp, mesocarp and endocarp. So the dry, here generally the mesocarp is fleshy and here the mesocarp is dry. So you can say that the mesocarp is dry, or even the pericarp, the total fruit is dry. Pericarp is dry. Now dry is also divided into two types: dry dehiscent fruit and dry indehiscent fruit. Dehiscent means which will break by itself. When the fruit matures, after a certain time, when the fruit matures, it breaks by itself. So dehiscent fruits will break by itself. So it breaks by itself. And what does it do then when it breaks? Obviously it releases the seeds, because the fruit will have seed inside. So here it will release the seeds. That is the dehiscent types. And seeds are many seeds, because since there are many seeds, that's why it will break by itself and it will liberate the seeds dispersion. Whereas the indehiscent dry is not breaking by itself. So it will not break. It will be as it is. And since it will not break, it will not throw the seeds, it will not liberate the seeds. Why? Well, because it generally have one seed. So in indehiscent it will have one seed. Here you can see many seeds, so it needs to break. Here it will not break, it does not break. So does not break on maturity. This is indehiscent. So we have seen that simple is of two types. One is fleshy, which is juicy, and one is dry. Dry, again, it is of two types: dehiscent and indehiscent. Now one by one we will discuss all of these types. But first let us come to the fleshy fruit. Now there are different types. As I said, there are 300,000 types of angiospermic species, and all flower, all ovaries, they change into fruits. So there is a big group or big types of fruit, big differences among various fruit types. How can you remember that? I'll give you a very easy method to remember that. Tell me, fleshy means juicy. So juice, you can imagine a juicy fruit and the juice is coming out from the fruit. So how does the juice come out of the fruit? In which form it would come out of the fruit? It will be liquid, obviously. So the juice comes out drop by drop. This drop is your reference for the type of the fruit. So from drop, drupe. So it will come, the juice will come, I'll write here, juice will come out drop by drop. So the first is droop, second one is berry. So you can remember like this, droop, berry, then hess, pea, po. Now these are things these are the you can remember in this pattern, droop, berry, hess, pea, po, and two more, bal, balam. So these are types 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 types. The fleshy fruit, simple fruit is of 7 types. Now each one I will elaborate more. Droop, I'll give you a representative fruit type for each so that you can remember. The droop one here, the example for droop is mango. Now all of us have, all of us have eaten, we like mango also. The example of droop is mango. Now this you have to take in your mind, this 3 layer of the fruit. So what do you think here when you describe this mango? So if you see, if I make a mango, so mango will be something like this. Let us say this is a mango. The exocarp is thin. What about endocarp? Endocarp is hard and stony. This is endocarp. Endocarp is hard and stony. And the seed is present inside the endocarp. Inside the endocarp there is seed. And what we eat basically of mango is the middle portion, which is this, which is called as the mesocarp. So mesocarp is juicy or fleshy. This is mango. Mangifera indica. Mangifera indica, scientific name. But one more example is peach. So first we are discussing about droop here, then we will discuss all these things. But before we start discussing the droop in greater details, this is berry. Hess is the short name for Hesperidium. So this is Hesperidium. P is pepo. We will discuss all of them. This po is pome. This bell is Balosta. This M is Amphicera. One by one, I will discuss each of them.